What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP the install guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we have a radio removal only because we're adding a backup camera and we do need to take this out. And it is a 2013 Volkswagen Beetle, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing or following, because this is what we do here. Anything car audio or install related, that's what the channel is about. Now, first thing we have to do is we have to take off the trim first, and then we get to take this part off, the vent part. Now, the trim does have to come off regardless if this is a factory radio or aftermarket, which is why I decided to go ahead and do this video. Now, it's going to be a little bit tight, and you might actually have to get on the inside. Once you get that first one off, it'll help relieve some of the pressure from the other clips that need to be popped off. Try to use your hand where you can. And those are the clips that's around there. Now you'll see we have, I think those are T15 Torx, but we can't get to them because it's actually behind that. You could probably get your drill bit behind there, but you won't actually be able to take the radio out because of those tabs. So we do need to take this part off next. So this trim ring is actually holding this in. So with trying to take the whole thing out, it may be a little hard. There we go. So I had to use two hands, but now we have that part out. Stick it in there, pop those clips. And that is the whole deal right there. Next, you have 4 of those T15s. Now that we have those out, we have our radio. Now, unfortunately, that is it for this video. It is a radio removal only. I just want to show you how to take it out, even though this is not the factory. The factory comes out the exact same way, so I figure it will be kind of beneficial for you guys to see it. If you did find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I would like to take the time to thank anybody who chooses to support the channel down there in the description, because all that goes a long way with me and helps support this channel. So this is the Alpine IOLX 650 and the dash kit. I will put all these links in the description. No, I did not do this install, but we're going to add a backup camera to it. So I'll put these in the description for you guys if you want to start doing stuff yourself, or you like the way that this stuff looks or the way stuff operates. That way you can do it. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.